I shall not be able to come. I shall not be able to come. Let me see. Let me see. I want to buy something. I want to buy something. Wow, what a sight! Wow, what a sight! I suppose so. I suppose so. I hope everything is okay. I hope everything is okay. Not a bit. Not a bit. To be frank. To be frank. It's enough. It's enough. Well done. Well done. Oh, sit. Oh, sit. What happened? What happened? Is everything fine? Is everything fine? Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. I am little bit unhappy. I am little bit unhappy. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Would you assist me, please? Would you assist me, please? Have a good day. Have a good day. Or have a nice day. Have a nice day. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you. Who cares? Who cares? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? I don't want. I don't want. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Do you have any business with me? Do you have any business with me? You are talking nonsense. You are talking nonsense. How strange. How strange. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I think so. I think so. So kind of you. So kind of you. It has been so long. It has been so long. Yes, go on. Yes, go on. I am off. I am off. I am very happy. I am very happy. That was so kind of you. That was so kind of you. In my point of view. In my point of view. Don't show me your face. Don't show me your face. Bravo, well done. Bravo, well done. Let it pass. Let it pass. I guess. I guess. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? I am delighted. I am delighted. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. How peaceful. How peaceful. Let's sit somewhere. Let's sit somewhere. Hey, got it? Hey, got it? Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Or, can you help me? Can you help me? What a pity. What a pity. How soft. How soft. Come to the point. Come to the point. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.